the Cinematic Depth System. It's not another guide full of tips. It's built to take you from overlooked to unforgettable. It shows you how to turn any room, camera, budget, and frame into something unforgettable. It's packed with proven frameworks, practical exercises, and over 120 pages of exclusive content that guides you on how to make every frame pull your audience in, tell a story that moves them, and makes your film a classic. With it, you'll stop guessing and confidently start creating shots that hooks and sticks in your audience's mind forever. And right now, we've opened just 30 launch copies at a special price, so more filmmakers can grab it. 14 are already gone. That means only 16 are left. Once those are claimed, this launch price disappears. And the best part is, you can even get it in your language. So, if you're tired of being invisible, overlooked, and wondering why no one talks about your work or gives you the respect you deserve, this is your moment. Don't let it pass. Click the link in the description and check it out.